Welcome to our video of spending 4 days and 3 nights in the deep jungle of Borneo. The adventure started off by taking a boat downstream for about 15 minutes to our eco camp. We arrived excited at the eco camp, knowing very little of what was gonna be ahead of us. We saw so many exciting things throughout the whole trip that it was unbelievable. River had a lot to offer, as well as the jungle. We saw countless of animals, both in the water and in the trees. And I can imagine how many animals saw us. So this is how our hut looks like. I try to get into the house. And that's the bed. No fan, no anything can charge the phones. Downstairs there's the shower and toilet. After the introduction to the campsite, we went back to the river.
Like Freddie Mercury.
Oh, mama.
After saying hi to our new friends of the river, we returned back to the camp and headed to the jungle. Yeah.
Yeah. And it doesn't even bleed. It looks like the tree.
Can you show me the light? Wow, that's so much wildlife. Unbelievable. So Chan is taking us to the next adventure. Hopefully it will not rain. Yeah, you can tell, yeah. We had a chance to plant trees. Each of these trees will provide oxygen for 8 humans. And besides oxygen, they will provide a very important passage for monkeys as they commute from one area to another, jumping from a tree to tree.
We call apa ini cik? Kue ini?
Nice.
Yeah, they're wrapping something inside.
But no fish.
I think no fish. Yeah, just
Okay. And no shrimp.
yeah, no, just I think it's mostly we use vegetable in the middle, mixed vegetable, and I think papaya.
Awesome.
And this one?
Yeah, this is me goreng, fried noodles,
Oh wow.
fried noodles. Yeah, enjoy.
Yeah, we will. Thank you.
Oh, popia ba yun?
So what do you have there, Tanya?
I have my leech socks.
Yeah,
Very important.
very fashionable.
Yes. To prevent all the leeches to come.
Yeah. So you already had some experience with the leeches?
Yes. So no more leeches on me.
No more.
No more.
And we were finally on our way. While driving towards the Limestone hill, we saw something really unusual floating ahead of us. Are you serious?
Oh my gosh.
You see the head?
It's huge.
Crocodile head?
It's so freaking big.
I thought it's a toy. Watch out, watch out.
No, dengan ada crocodile ni.
Not so close. Not so close.
That's okay, don't worry.
Go further.
See the crocodile head. See another. You see it?
Oh yeah.
There you go, Josh. You wanted to have those.
Hey, we're not done, right? Are we done?
No, no. Let's go back.
We bring back to the camp.
Definitely go back.
Drag it back. Now eat lunch.
Ville, istu, please.
No, no. En mä halua istua noin lähellä tuota.
And to come back.
Poor little crocodile. Hmm.
Tanya and crocodile.
Onko tuossa titteli?
We can always go back to camp and just wait for it to come on by.
Wow. That took us a little while to get over with. But eventually we got to the shore and on our way to the Limestone hill.
Sound like machine gun.
Machine gun.
Like this. Yeah.
The views from the top of the hill were pretty amazing.
Malawak ng elephant. Libong niya. Sa baba use the binocular. Kinabatangan down pat. Because they're stuck in the village because the bridge.
There we go. On our way down. After making it down from the hill, we took another trip down to check out a cave.
Oh no.
So many. Besides the bats, there were some far more scary animals in the cave.
Should I poke him? Just wait. Hey, buddy.
Our guides gave us a lot of insights of the caves, how they had been used by their ancestors.
Like a baby.
Yeah, they're baby.
And back to daylight again.
Kamu ni jauh. Atau cuci tangan. Kurang.
You made it.
Finally. Survive.
Well done.
You did it.
So many potatoes here. Time to go. Alright, last supper. Got dark in the jungle and the rain stopped for a while, so time to eat. This fella wanted to eat with us as well.
Sinä olitkaan, sinä olit sivettikissa.
Hooray for the sunshine today. So good. No wind. Exactly.
Maybe from the dietary because he just eat the leaf.
I was gonna guess like.
Is it pregnant?
Where's your family?
No.
There's another one.
Just so many different kinds of monkeys and other wildlife.
And then that's how they sleep. They will be stick together.
Yeah.
to minimize the body temperature.
Wow.
Oh, see?
They're smart.
Just beside our eco camp there was a lake, and the guides warned us about the crocodiles. One day I took my drone out to take it for a flight, and look what I saw. And it was finally time to go back. Time went so fast and so many things to do and to see. Thank you so much our guide Jan and all the eco camp staff. If you like this video, could you do me a favor and hit that like button or give me a comment down below? It would make my day. Thanks a lot.